Okay, ready?
Go ahead.
This is how we open up a hard drive on where we live. Okay, so I'm gonna go for take two, I guess.
Is this an instructional video?
Yes, this is how to open up your hard drive if you've lost control of it or if it has problems. This is how to open it up and yeah, fix it. Take that, C8. You want to swing there, buddy? Yeah, go for a swing. You get overkill, so there we go. See when you act, kaboom. That's it. Yeah. You're good. I think I'm ready. Oh. Master up.
It's open now.
That's recycling, so yeah. Need to get inside your hard drive. That's the way to go. There we go. Pieces. See, we separated the whole hard drive here, and it's all ready to go. We just need to fix some other parts. There's a platter. Still spins. Yeah, so she's all good. Some more pieces. The platter is now more visible. There you go. That's how to separate your hard drive from your platter. So that's what's left, and yeah. I think it still works. Maybe. We'll plug it in and find out. Looks okay to me. I think it still works. I think you can hit that.
Okay.
I think I'm ready. Oh. Smashed her up.
It's open now.
That's recycling, so yeah. Need to get inside your hard drive. That's the way to go. Of a hard drive, so that's where all your storage goes. And that's all the electronics that make it actually happen. But they are in pieces now. There you go. That's how to separate your hard drive from your platter. See that? Pretty well done, I'd say.